Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm making a unboxing for a game and a basic figure, Roman Reigns. Here we go with the game. So we got Nintendo Switch, Assassin's Assassin's Creed, the Ezio collection. So you got three classic games. You got Assassin's Creed 2, Assassin's Creed Revelations, Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. So you got the front, the side, the back. Let's open it up. So you got no inside artwork. You got the cartridge. That's that. You got Series 146 Roman Reigns. Here's a figure, his picture, rest of the people in the line. And that has been a quick unboxing for Switch game, Assassin's Creed, and Series 146 Roman Reigns Basic. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.